Here in Barcelona, they pay with euros. They love chorizo. And if we walk around here, they have baguettes for only 42 cents, which might be about $1 Australian, maybe 90 cents. And they have nice bakeries with some nice selections. And plenty of meat, tea, rice, and then one of my favorite parts is that they have olives and clams. Clams, of course tuna as we know, but sardines, it's very cool. Very, very nice. And meat, and then a nice selection of fruits. Sitting on the corner in this quiet suburb where I'm staying, and we're going to try a clam. Wow. Really soft. I like the sauce it's in. It reminds me of a sardine. Different texture. Mushier. Really nice oil that it's in. I'm loving this. Supermarket shopping to save some money and also to try some of the local digs. We've got some barbecue chip like Fritos going on. We've got some yogurt with a little bit of passion fruit in it and cheese bread. Very nice. Oh, and a big old thing of water. Water's cheap here. If you go, I don't quite like how you must order water and pay for it in every restaurant you go to, which is mostly what actually turned me off from eating at a restaurant today. Here we are. We've stumbled on a beautiful park with some doves and some birds. Another cloudless day. I love the sun. It puts me in a good mood. That's why I love Australia so much. I'm automatically having a good day if it's sunny when I wake up. I have a short sleeve shirt on, my polo. And I love palm trees as well. They give me memories of Florida, Captiva. Shout out to my family. And they give me memories of Australia. I was blown away. I thought the only place on earth that had palm trees was Florida and maybe Los Angeles. But now they remind me everywhere I go that I love them. So we came off our mountain today to visit the library here. And I'm getting my laptop shipped to me. Shout out to Dad, thanks for that. Very soon. And then after that happens, I will be going to Rome and saying farewell to Barcelona. I have a feeling I'll be back. And I have a feeling I was meant to be here for this long. Love you, Postcard Tribe. What's up, car? I covered up the license plate, but the first car right here is like the car I had. Soft top and all. Coming back for you, buddy. Sunset from the balcony. Thanks for coming along today, everybody. I love you so much. It means so much to me that you watch. I'm so lucky that I found this place. I love elevation. I love this country.